Okay, so what I did is I grabbed just a couple of different plans, and I've kind of just used highlighters to kind of show like relative areas to each other. And so here we have one, right? It's got the offices along a ring here facing one way, and then it's got a corridor along one side, and it's got two areas that are in red that are the vertical circulation course. So you got three different things shown here. There's program area, there is transitional corridor, and then there is vertical circulation space. Okay, so here's another one, the same thing, and you can see that in the second one, that the area of transitional space is massive compared to the amount of program space. And so this is what I'm trying to get you guys to self-analyze. Additionally, if you look at the vertical circulation areas and you compare the two vertical circulation areas, how is it that one person is able to take all of their vertical circulation and put it into two little areas like that, and then the other one has these much larger areas? So that's part of what this analysis that I'm asking you to do. This is showing a relative analysis of program. So you're comparing program to transitional to vertical circulation. That's one level of analysis. The other level of analysis is, how did you do compared to what you were asked to do? Right? So if you've got 4 bathrooms instead of 2, you're going to be way over on your bathroom amount. Okay? So what I think, like, for example, this student needs to do is they need to kind of rethink, right, where how big the corridor is and whether they need this. What is it? You know, what's in that space? Then, and these students these aren't isolated incidences. There's a lot of this. All right. Another thing is the stairs, and I'm seeing one's got some pretty simple stairs. They're stairs like the ones you guys come up and down these stairs all the time. It's a plain old simple scissor stair. Just goes up, takes up a minimal footprint. But there's a lot of people with these very, very long, gigantic stairs, and I don't know if there is a formal reason for it or what. Okay? But it would be better if the stairs, I mean, okay, what I want you guys to understand is that you guys are all approaching the point where you're going to be putting a portfolio together for transfer. Right? If I was glancing through a portfolio and I saw stairs like this, it wouldn't catch my attention. But if I saw stairs that look like that, that's going to be a red flag to me that something's up. Why are those stairs so long? So then the next thing that I would do is go and see if they're in the form as a rational reason for the stairways being unconventional. And if I don't find that reason, then I'm gonna start to get doubts about, does this person really understand vertical circulation? So, is this helping? And so, and you guys are understanding that we're looking at two different things here. One is the relative amount of transitional space to vertical circulation to program space, and the other is that analysis that I put up on the board earlier that shows what were you asked for and what did you provide and what was the differential. And then finally, the last thing is, what does what I provided for, right, compared to the overall floor area, and what is the amount that I was requested compared to the overall floor area. Okay? So I'm going to ask you guys to do an extensive analysis of this between now and Wednesday. You want to stop that video?